Just some quick information about making custom dowels. So I always make dowels out of the hardwood that I'm working in. This case it's walnut. So I bought this from I think it's an online store. They make beautifully machined parts. You can make your own dominoes, and this is for dowels. So I cut this on my bandsaw, roughly 1/4 inch. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch brad point bit. So all you have to do is tap these through and go through the steps. So that was 5/16. By the way, these Japanese hammers, which I adore way better than American style hammers, are perfect for this. You just let the wood go through. And you'll see that it does a really nice job of shaving it off. So that was 9/32. And now I'm going to do the 1/4 inch. And now I've got a beautiful custom, pretty much, walnut dowel. So you can do this obviously in cherry. I will give it a quick sand and I'm all ready to go. Just make sure when you do this you pick pretty straight grain wood. Don't pick figured wood because it will crack on you.